Hey guys, and welcome to Overland NZ, and welcome to another quick tip video. So we got something a little bit different today. When we picked up the 80 here, the bar on it was in pretty poor condition. It's had a hard life in Wellington, which is very salty, and lots of the powder coating had come off and it looked a bit average. Before we went up north to do North Range Road and Takapari Road, I quickly went over the whole thing with a cheap can of spray paint, and it looked good enough for that trip, but it hasn't lasted. As you can see, there's rust spots and stuff all through it. Getting back from the trip, I realized we needed to do something a little bit more permanent and a little bit stronger that could withstand, rubbing up against banks, the chips and the rocks on the road, and just the environments that we take the vehicles in. So after doing a bunch of research on all the various products, I settled on RAPTOR coating. Reached out to the team at RAPTOR Coat and said, hey guys, I want to do this project. They jumped aboard and said, yes, let's go. So today, we're going to take this off, clean it up, take it back to bare metal, and chuck some RAPTOR coating on it, all in the garage at home to see just how easy it actually is to apply. Alrighty, so the bull bar is primed, prepped, and ready to go. I didn't bother filming much of it because, let's be honest, it's not very interesting. It's basically just grinding back all the powder coating and paint on it and covering up with a acid etch primer that the RAPTOR dudes chucked our way. So now, I've got these cans here of RAPTOR coating. It is a 2K paint, so there's a red dude that comes with this, pushed into the bottom, it activates the mixture. You don't actually know what the two things are. And I'm assuming I have to use the whole can to go. So this is the bit that I've been excited for. It should look pretty mint once it's done. So yeah, that's the first coat done. It looks mint. It's real easy to apply, although I will recommend wearing shoes, as I didn't, and I just had to spend a couple of minutes cleaning my feet and not doing it on the grass, as I may have killed this patch of grass. Overall though, I'm super stoked with how it's come out. It's still slightly tacky, but for one coat it looks awesome. It's not as rough as I was expecting, which is really cool. I do need to turn the bar over and just give it a good dousing on the bottom just to make sure I've got everything, but yeah, 2 cans through this. Make sure you grab possibly a little bit more than you plan on using. It definitely doesn't last as long as spray paint, and they're not wrong about the 60 centimeter thing. Second you get too close, you end up with massive globs, and then once you back off, it seems to be really good. So I'm absolutely stoked with this so far. It looks really good. Sweet, so we're back. It's a week later. The bar has been sitting in the garage all week, curing. It's looking mint. Last night I went through, put the number plate back on, the winch back in, and the fairlead back on, and we're basically ready to put this onto the truck again. I'm so pleased with how it's come up. This is the first time I've seen it in the sun since I did it, and it looks awesome. So yeah, let's get it on the front of the Landcruiser again. Cool, so the bar is back on the Landcruiser finally. It looks awesome. I am so pleased with it. I managed to bang the bar quite a few times with the ratchet and stuff, trying to get the bolts back in to get this stupid bull bar on. And no marks, nothing like that. It is mint. I even smacked the back of it with a hammer and no paint came off. So I can't wait to get this out into the real world on our next trip, which is hopefully going to be soon, and see how it performs. So yeah, RAPTOR coating. I'm pleased with it. It's super easy to use. came up real nice. It's hidden all the kind of imperfections of the bar and stuff like that, and it seems so far to be real tough. Cool, till next time, cheers.